What's up everybody? So in today's video, we're gonna have some fun with the GT-R, installing the Armytrix exhaust system. This will be the primary catback. I do have downpipes, those will go on later on in time, but we have the full system right here. Titanium tips, Valvetronic muffler. Super awesome looking tips as you guys saw in the unbox video in a previous video. Absolutely top-notch quality on this system. This is gonna be an amazing sounding car. I cannot wait for the GT-R to be a full Armytrix GT-R. So this is the biggest step, turning this GT-R into an absolutely awesome sounding Nissan GT-R. So let's get to it. And with the car up on jack stands, the first thing we're gonna work on is removing the carbon fiber rear diffuser. Should just be a few bolts and tabs. And once we remove that, we'll have perfect access to actually remove the entire stock exhaust system. We'll be going all the way from the mid pipe up front, all the way of course down to the tips. So we got all the under trays off, the really large carbon fiber diffuser, all sorts of hardware with that, and then the two pieces behind each wheel. So take a quick look at what it looks like underneath now. We can see the entire stock exhaust system, pretty good access to get to the hangers, which are mounted up there, and then all the way up to the mid pipe. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the mid pipe off since I've already done that before, and then we'll work on getting the muffler section off. So we got the mid pipe off of the car sitting right there. All that's left is the muffler section and the rest of the piping. So now, as of course we're gonna do, basically from the turbos and primary cats, let's go ahead and start up the car completely straight piped pretty much and see how loud this thing is. That's sounding pretty good. Whew. Yeah, that sounds pretty sick. So I'm guessing that's what the car's gonna sound like with the valves open. So now moving on to the rest of the exhaust. This is actually all one piece, which I just learned. So we have one hanger right here. It looks like we have a bolt on each side, which probably is easier just to take the bolts off and let the hanger fall down. That will get the tail end of this piece out. And then as we make our way to the rear of the exhaust, we have a hanger in the back right there. We also have bolts on it, so that can be easily taken off. Same with this one. Then we have hangers up front. So we have the new exhaust all laid out, looking really good. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on the car. All of the vacuum tubing and electronics, that's gonna be a separate video just because that's a whole nother project compared to the actual hard piping of the system. Kind of cool to see the whole rear end gutted. So a good trick to get these hangers off, just spray it with some WD-40. Just like that. And now we'll put this on the new one. All the mid-pipe section is complete. Now we'll install the muffler. So just finished up bolting on the actual exhaust. We can go ahead and do the tips in a little bit. So here is the finished product, looking really, really cool under here. I love the logo on the bottom, very cool looking. Everything is very tight. We haven't completely torqued them down yet. And of course, we still have the valving to do. So let's go ahead and start it up right now, see what it sounds like, and then we'll work on the next step.
So you don't know if the valves are open or closed?
I don't know yet. Without it hooked up, I don't know if they're gonna be open or closed.
Well, we'll see. be open?
That sounds about stuck.
Oh, yeah. Wait, open would be, closed would be stock. Open would be...
Yeah. The exhaust is coming out of both, so they're probably open.
Okay.
But not all the way.
Yeah. It stinks back here.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Whew, smells like a new exhaust.
Yeah, it does. Whew.
That sounds pretty sick so far.
Oh, yeah.
And finishing up with the last bit, we are popping on the tips. They are looking absolutely amazing on this car. The purplish blue, that looks insane. So that is the Armytrix 90mm exhaust system installed onto the GT-R. It looks absolutely fantastic, and I will have to say the fitment, absolutely perfect. Like, it went together like it was an OEM unit. Very, very nice quality. The tips look fantastic in the bluish purple look. Definitely glad I went with the color. That just looks so mean back here. Absolutely stunning. So let's get another start up. Now we got the tips on. Sounds pretty good at idle. Here, why don't you rev it and I'll hold the camera real quick. All right, first exhaust rev. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video installing the Armytrix exhaust system on my GT-R. I've always wanted the exhaust on this car. It sounds epic so far. I'm not 100% sure if the valves are open or closed given they're not hooked up yet. So be sure to subscribe. The next video I upload, we'll be installing all the vacuum lines and the electronics and actually making this thing come to life, going between the stock sound and the Armytrix sound. So I'm definitely super pumped to get working on that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a huge thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button. We got some epic content with the GT-R and the Audi R8. So we'll see you guys next video.